Today I will create this multicolor animation in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. Add a square shape. Change the color to red. Duplicate this shape and change the color to green. Again, duplicate this and change the color to blue. Lastly, again duplicate and change the color to yellow. Import the red shoe picture. Add a green shoe. Add a blue shoe picture. Add a yellow shoe picture. Add a text. Write the shoe's name. Change the letter case to uppercase. Change the color to white. Select the Anton font. Change the transparency to 80. Change the alignment to left. Duplicate this text and write the other shoe's name one by one. Duplicate the page. Select green, blue, and yellow shapes including all the elements. Make these smaller. Expand the shape's height to fit the page. Expand the red shape. Change the shoe position and make it bigger. Make the text size bigger. Now duplicate the page. Make the red shape smaller. Decrease the text size and also the shoe size. Expand the green shape. Increase the text and shoe size. Duplicate the pages and do the same thing. Now go to the transition by clicking here. Select the match and move transition. Apply between all pages. Page timing 2 seconds and apply it to all pages. Here is the final result. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.